Well, I think that every relationship like this is unique, and so the critical issue, I think, is that the mentor really try to understand who the protege or mentee is and what their drivers are, what their motivations are. And in doing so, what that allows is for the mentor to direct that mentee or protege in the most appropriate way. So I think that there has to be flexibility in that relationship. Not every relationship of that type is going to be the same. And what's critical is just aligning sort of the types of advice and direction with what the goals and aspirations of the mentee might be. There's a whole range of interactions that I would have with students. I mean, from interactions with undergraduate students who are, obviously enjoy mentoring also, but in some sense the deepest relationships are formed with graduate students and, postdocs, research engineers. And for those relationships, one of the things that I have an open door policy. I mean, I know that as a faculty member, we talk about the fact that our time is our most valuable resource, and it certainly is. But your people are incredibly important in terms of a resource, in terms of the production of your group and your team. I find myself interacting with them about things that are less focused on sort of the quantitative issues that we're dealing with in terms of day-to-day, how do we advance research objectives, but career issues. What do you want to do with your life? How do you start planning to make sure that you achieve the types of things that you're looking for? One of the important issues is you want to know who that person is as a mentee. Is this the person I want to be my mentor or to be my friend or to be my coach? What have their relationships been like with previous people who they've mentored? I sort of think about it as almost as a coach, and I think that a lot of what I do is coaching. And so if you're choosing a coach as a young person, for example, you want to know what they've done, and in terms of developing other people, you want to know their resume, not necessarily in just the academic sense, but you want to know their resume in terms of some of these other qualities and in terms of what they've done for others. And so I think that understanding that allows the mentee to be able to maximize that relationship and opportunity. So it's almost like you have to do your homework first, and then once you've done your homework, you have to sort of follow up and make sure that this person, finds time for you, is available, all the things that are critical to nurturing.